Hi guys, my name is Bashiru Rasaq. Welcome to my channel. I'm excited to explore the exciting world of real estate and personal development with you. My goal is to inspire young people like myself that it's never too early to chase your dreams, especially in the real estate sector. I'll be sharing essential tips on how real estate could be a pathway in building generational wealth and important things to consider before making your first investment. Join me as we uncover the potential and power of real estate together. Don't forget to subscribe. I want this video to be as helpful as possible, so please suggest any topic you are interested in or area where you need advice. Just comment below. From my young age, I've always wanted to see houses. I was fascinated by houses. I love connecting with people. My journey began in secondary school when I was told to choose a trade subject then. So I chose carpentry and joinery out of the 5 subjects that was given. I chose carpentry and joinery. So after graduating, I spent a year in a carpentry workshop. So this experience was eye-opening. But I took a next step towards my dream. I studied civil engineering at a university. Combining my practical skill with my academic training made me realize that real estate was the perfect field for me. This is where I could truly put my skill to use and make a meaningful impact. Thank you for watching my introduction. Before you go, please leave a comment with your thoughts or any topics you'd like to see on this channel. Your feedback is crucial for shaping our content.